Good morning children. Welcome to your English text session, and today we are going to start with chapter number 3 of English, that is the sweet porridge. Okay, so children, quickly open your books to page number 45. Very good. So today we are going to study about a very sweet girl, Anna, and her mother, and how kind and how helpful she was, how kind and generous her mother was, and they liked helping everybody they have around them. They were so helpful, so kind, so generous. Generous means the person who is very kind, who is very wise, who is very humble. जो बहुत काइंड होता है और दूसरों से अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करता है, जो दूसरों की हेल्प करता है, दैट पर्सन इज नोन एज जेनरस. ओके, वेरी काइंड एंड helpful person. So this is a very sweet story of a girl, Anna, who lived with her mother in near a forest, and how she used to eat. और जब उसको एक गिफ्ट मिला, एक मैजिक पॉट मिला, तो what did she do with it? So all these things we are going to study in the chapter. But before we start the chapter, let me tell you something, children. Being kind and generous is very good. Okay, you always get something in return when you give somebody. जब आप किसी को कुछ देते हो तब आपको डेफिनेटली रिटर्न में कुछ कुछ मिलता है. So you always get a reward or a gift if you help anybody or if you do any good to anybody. Okay, so you should always be kind and helpful. So we will begin with the chapter. First, did you know porridge is very healthy for breakfast? Porridge is a very healthy breakfast. Porridge means dalia. Porridge gives us lot of energy and keeps our stomach full. Porridge से हमें बहुत सारी energy मिलती है and our stomach is full. We should be kind to all the living beings and generous to the needy. We should be kind and helpful to everybody around us, everybody. And we should always be generous to the needy, means the person who needs our help, we should always be kind enough to help that person. हमें हमेशा उस person की help करनी चाहिए. So we will begin with chapter. Children, have the pencil in your hand to mark the difficult words quickly. Very good. So, once upon a time, there was a little girl named Anna. So, once upon a time, एक girl थी छोटी सी, her name was Anna. She lived with her mother and she used to live with her mother. They were very poor and did not have anything to eat. So she was so poor that they could not even manage something to eat. वो बहुत poor थे, so they do not have anything to eat. They survived by eating fruits from the forest. So how did they eat and how did they live? How did they survive? वो कैसे जीते थे? They used to survive by eating the fruits from the forest. However, Anna was a good child and was always kind and helpful to everyone. Although Anna was very poor, Anna बहुत poor थी, but still वो बहुत kind और बहुत generous थी, बहुत helpful थी, और जिसको भी उसकी help चाहिए होती थी, she used to help. So first word in this sentence is survived. In the third sentence, you will find the first word survived. Next is helpful. One day, while Anna was in the forest collecting fruits, एक दिन जब Anna forest में fruits collect कर रही थी, she met an old woman. उसको एक old woman मिली. This woman had special powers. उस woman के पास क्या थे? Special powers थे. Underline the word special powers. So this woman had special powers knew that Anna was sad and wanted food for herself and her mother. So that old woman, she knew that Anna wanted some food for herself as well as for her mother. Anna को food चाहिए था अपने लिए और अपनी mother के लिए. She also knew that Anna was a kind girl and wanted to reward her. So that old woman who had magical powers, she knew that Anna was so kind and helpful, and that's why that old woman wanted to help Anna. So here you will underline the word special powers and the word reward. She wanted to gift something. She wanted to give a prize to Anna for being kind. So she presented Anna with a little pot. Underline the word presented. Presented means gifted. So she presented means gifted Anna a sweet little pot. This was the magic pot which could cook. और ये pot कौन सा pot था? ये magic pot था जो अपने आप cook करता था. The old woman told Anna the magic words. Old woman ने Anna को porridge cook कराने के लिए magic words सिखाए. She said, "Cook little pot, cook." What she told? She said, "Cook little pot, cook." Immediately the pot cooked good and sweet porridge. So as soon as she said cook little pot, immediately means उसी time pot ने क्या बना दिया? गरम गरम porridge. And when she said stop little pot, it stopped cooking. और जब जो old women थी उन्होंने बोला stop little pot, तो pot ने अपने आप cook करना बंद कर दिया. It was amazing. So this was amazing. Amazing means it was very good to see a pot cooking by itself. Anna was very excited indeed. Anna was indeed. Indeed means she was very much excited. Children, in the above sentence you are going to mark the word porridge and amazing. Porridge and amazing. So Anna was very excited indeed. Anna was excited indeed means she was very much happy from inside. From her soul she was happy. वो खुश हो गई थी बहुत ज़्यादा अंदर से. And thanked the old woman with a huge and big smile. And she said the old woman that she was very thankful to her for giving her the sweet little porridge pot. And she gave her a hug and a big smile. Then she took the pot home to her mother, and after that she took the porridge pot to her mother. Of course her mother was also happy with the magic pot. So Anna की mother भी बहुत happy हो गई because वो लोग बहुत poor थे और उनके पास खाने को कुछ नहीं होता था. So now whenever they will say cook little pot, they will get the food. She said, now we can eat food whenever we like. So what she said after seeing the pot? She said, अब हम कभी भी खाना खा सकते हैं. So they ate the sweet porridge as often as they wanted. Now they had the pot with them. उनके पास ही था pot. तो अब जब भी उनको भूख लगती थी, they used to cook the sweet porridge in the pot and they used to eat. So they ate the sweet porridge as often as they wanted. They also gave the porridge to anyone who was hungry. और वो sweet porridge उनको भी देते थे जो उनके साथ रहते थे और hungry रहते थे. So they used to help other people also. They were so kind and helpful. They were generous and kind. So they were very generous means helpful and always ready to share. You share your things now with your friends, with anybody. So they were also kind and very generous like you all. One day Anna had gone out of her house for some work. एक दिन Anna अपने घर से कहीं बाहर गई for some work. Her mother became hungry and said to the pot, cook little pot. एंड सडनली व्हेन एना वाज आउट, वो कहीं बाहर गई थी किसी काम से, तो उसकी ममा को भूख लगी एंड शी टोल्ड द लिटिल पॉट टू कुक एंड इट कुक स्वीट पॉरेज एज यूजुअल, और उसने हमेशा की तरह स्वीट पॉरेज कुक करना स्टार्ट किया. When she had eaten till she was satisfied, she wanted the pot to stop cooking. और जब उसकी ममा ने इनफ खा लिया, जितना उन्हें खाना था, और वो सेटिस्फाई हो गई, मीन्स जब उनकी टमी फुल हो गई, when her stomach was full, she wanted the pot to stop. वो चाहती थी कि पॉट रुक जाए. But alas, she did not know how to stop the pot from cooking. Alas means now she became sad. Now she did not know how to put the pot off or how to stop the pot from cooking more porridge. So she became sad because she was not knowing how the pot will stop cooking. So it went on cooking more and more porridge. So porridge वाले pot को किसी ने बोला ही नहीं stop होने के लिए. So it went on cooking. The porridge was overflowing from the pot, and now the porridge came out from the pot and started pouring out. वो pot में से बाहर गिरने लग गया. But it still went on cooking. But वो still cook करता गया. It did not stop. The kitchen and the whole house was full. और एना का पूरा घर किससे भर गया? With the porridge. The porridge soon overflowed into the next house and then the next, and gradually the whole street was covered in porridge. और जैसे जैसे porridge बाहर आता गया, पहले kitchen full हो गया, then her house was full, then her lane was full. वो जिस street में रहते थे वो भी full हो गया porridge से. And it overflowed into the next house, पास वाले घर में, फिर उसके पास वाले घर में, and gradually means उसके बाद पूरे street में full हो गया. So children, in this you are going to mark the word excited, then indeed, then generous, then the word generous, hungry. Also they gave the porridge to anyone who was hungry. So hungry. Then satisfied. This is in the last paragraph on page number 46. Satisfied. Okay. Then after this you will mark overflowed. Overflowed means it came out. Then street. Then street. Now no one knew how to stop it. So nobody but Anna, only Anna knew how to stop the pot and nobody else knew, because old women ने तो Anna को ही दिया था pot. So only Anna knew how to stop it. At last, when only a single house was left, Anna returned. जब लास्ट में पूरा स्ट्रीट, you can see I have made the street here. So last में when the whole street was full of porridge, now only the last house was left. That time Anna returned from her workplace. She looked in surprise at the streets full of porridge. और एना ने बहुत सरप्राइजिंगली स्ट्रीट को देखा जो porridge से फुल हो गया था. Hurriedly she said, "Stop, little pot," and it stopped. So as soon as Anna saw कि porridge पूरे street में full हो गया है, she hurriedly means quickly, बहुत जल्दी से बोला, "Stop, little pot," and the porridge stopped cooking. Underline the word hurriedly. Hurriedly. Everyone wanted to go back to their houses. Now everyone was out of their houses. Everyone came on the street because of the porridge was filled in their house. So they wanted to go back to the house. So they had to eat all the porridge to make their way back home. So उनको पूरा street वाला porridge खाना पड़ा, so they can return home. So this was the story of a sweet little girl Anna, who was very kind, very generous and very helpful. Okay, so children, we studied in this chapter that we should always be helpful and kind to everybody, anybody who is in need. Okay, and we will always get something in return if we help anybody. अगर हम किसी की भी हेल्प करते हैं तो हमें रिटर्न में गिफ्ट या कोई भी चीज़ ज़रूर मिलती है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे चिल्ड्रेन. वी शैल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन, बाय बाय एंड हैव अ गुड डे.